Welcome to my channel once again, and today I have 20 minutes full body workout with dumbbells. I am using 2 kgs dumbbell. It's up to your capacity. You can either use water bottle if you want, and if you are looking forward to buy a dumbbell, then links are in description below of my dumbbells and my accessories. And let's get started.
Let's start this workout with single arm overhead lunges. This is going to be an ordinary lunges, but you have to hold the weight above your head. Try to keep your body straight and keep on pressing while you lunge down and come up. Let's target the other side. Now hold your weights in both your hands and squat down. And while coming up, press your hands up in the air. Great work. Now next is going to be reverse fly. For this, bend your knees, lean forward from your back. Now lift your hand up to your side and squeeze your back muscles. This exercise really work on your upper back muscles.
Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity.
Next is bicep curls with shoulder press. For this, your palm should be facing outwards. Bring your dumbbells close to your chest and directly move to a shoulder press. This exercise is great for biceps and shoulder muscles. Next we are going to do sit up with dumbbells. For this, lay down flat on the mat and hold the dumbbell. And the movement in this exercise should be very slow. So breathe out while you sit up and breathe in and go back very slowly to your original position. I'm trying very hard here to go back very slowly, but still it is little fast. So try to go as slow as possible without any jerks. This next one is an phenomenal core exercise. Your hand movement should be like you are cutting wood with an axe and just coordinate it with your legs. It will work on your obliques as well. Now these next few exercises will focus on your obliques. Now come in a wide sumo squat position. Hold a dumbbell between both your hands and then try to touch your knees with your elbows. This will really work on your inner thighs, your obliques and your hamstrings. Okay, this next one is little bit like a dancing step. So just watch me and then try to follow along. Your lower body muscles will be burning right now as well as your arms.
Remember how you held me thin? Now you got me reaching out.
Next one is good old traditional side bends. Okay, first of all, your feet should be shoulder width apart. So yeah, first contract to the left and stretch and give some pulses. Now the other side.
Down in the deep of my mind, I call for you and you're always a thrill.
If you are doing it right, then you will feel stretch in your obliques. This exercise will also help you in reducing love handles. Next, we are going to do Russian twist. Sit down on the mat, hold a dumbbell between your hands, lean your back towards the mat and start twisting. Next is tricep kickbacks. For this, come in a tabletop position. Remember, only move your forearm. Your upper arm should be close, static to your torso. Neck should be in neutral position. Eyes should be facing towards the floor. And the movement should be slow, nice and controlled. Please keep on thinking about the muscles you are working on. Now let's target the other side. Now lay down flat on the mat, holding dumbbells in each hand. Hand should be straight up. Now move them down slowly. Remember, your palm should be facing towards the ceiling and don't touch the dumbbell on the floor while bringing back down. The real task here is to not touch the dumbbells on the ground.
All we want is please. Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity.
Stay in the same position. Now we will be doing some floor press.
This is our identity. When we're under a somber sky, we can't help it, we're by your side. In the end, when the winter comes, we turn our backs, we can't help, we're gone. This is our identity.
Second last exercise for today is jackknife with dumbbell.
This is our identity.
I really don't know the name of this last one, but for this, you have to stay static in this position for 30 seconds. This will work on your back muscles. My body is shaking right now, but few more seconds. Let's finish it off hard.
Thank you so much for following along. I hope you really loved this drill. And if you do, then please like it, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such new, interesting, and fun workout videos. Till then, bye.